I'm just protecting that first order. Because I do have 2 on. So now I'm break even on that ad contract I had. Hopefully this stays heavy to target, but I at least got back that trade. Kind of want it right here, but. Okay, now I'm not touching it. Not touching it anymore.
Order filled.
And just to preserve some capital, guys, I am just going to do this. I'm not.
Submitted.
I just don't know what it wants to do, and I'm not going green to red today. I just don't, frankly, have the emotional capital. We'll try and hold for target here. But I'm getting out with a win today, guys. And then I can reevaluate on the day. We'll love a full target, though. Doesn't look like we're going to get it.
Order filled.
That's fine.
Order canceled.
You know what, guys? Like, we'll watch it go down and hit it. That pull off early that was an emotional capital. I have to be honest with you. Like, there's more than just putting the orders on the line, which I think a lot of people don't mention. If your mind is not ready to sit through drawdown or to watch this go against you, you have to be able to acknowledge that. Like, granted, in a stream, like, I know I look like a pussy not holding to target, and I know it's great to want to buzz the bell and like, that's all great. But at the end of the day, the mental side, and maybe I'm preaching, maybe I'm just talking to myself and you don't want to hear this, but like, the mental side is more important than the technical side. People are losing at trading because of the mental side, not the technical side. So the way I see it, I've had a shaky week mentally. The trades have been fine. But now I look at myself Thursday and I'm up on my accounts. I now have less than $500 to go to pass. And even my account that I got out early yesterday is green on the week. That's why I'm able to take them off, because these things are more important to me than an extra. When did I close? How far away from target? I closed it here at 200 and I gave back $20. So for $10 of profit, I got all, like, the weight lifted off my shoulder. You have to be willing to do that. You know, because now I can kick it. I can go see my kids. I can play a board game with them. And then if we get back to the -2s or we come all the way back down here, who knows where they're at now, you know, I can reevaluate later in the day. But I probably like just do this and just say, you know, we're good. $52 on the day. We're good on a Thursday in tough markets. So I know a lot of people disagree with me, but if we go into the trade journal, then we should be synced by now. We'll see. But for a guy like me that's learning how to do this, that's not a guru, that's not pumping affiliates. Yeah, I have my Tradeify. I said to Mike G yesterday, guys, I'm never going to make any money off affiliates from Tradeify. Like, their threshold for an affiliate payout is so high and I'm so tiny, I'm never going to get there. So it's really just to help you. But anyway, like, this is a month that dreams are made of for a guy like me that's learning how to do this, that's doing it for the love of the game. It's not up yet, but we're green on the week now. Usually if I do this, yeah. Like, look, this is a live account. The other one's up $40-something, but this is what dreams are made of for me. $590 this month. And this is just my live account. 5 green weeks in a row. And this Monday, Tuesday of last month was green as well. So that's another $88 that I could technically add to this week. I got to close that trade, guys. Look, red last month, red the month before that, red the month before that. Shit, I might not even trade tomorrow and just say, look at that. Look at this grind back on this chart. Can you see that? I think I gotta make that smaller. Look at the grind back. So I had to close the trade, guys. These are all the external things, you know? And really, and I'm going to make a video about this.